how to navigate the HelloFresh dashboard on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to get the most from your HelloFresh experience, well, let's walk you through the HelloFresh dashboard on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for HelloFresh. And now here, once you search for it on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the HelloFresh. Now here, once you're inside the official website of the HelloFresh, simply log in with your account and once logged in, you land on the main dashboard. That's your main control center. Now there you can see your upcoming meal deliveries. You can select or change meals or check delivery dates. And with that you can use the menu to explore future weeks, skip a delivery or adjust your meal plan. And with that, you can access your profile to update personal info, payment details, and dietary preferences. And you can also check alerts and messages about your orders and offers too. And that's it. That's how you can navigate the HelloFresh dashboard on desktop like a pro. With that, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.